Okay, so in today's topic we're going to study about subtraction of integers. Okay, so subtract, the question is minus 8 from minus 15. So in subtraction usually we write the second term first, right? Because we have to subtract minus 8 from minus 15. So from this minus 15 we have to subtract minus 8. So first we'll write the second integer. Okay, so minus 15 we're writing it here, and instead of from you're putting the minus sign, because the operation is to subtract. Then we're writing the minus 8 here. Okay, so now you see to this expression, so you see minus 15, you're writing it as such, and then minus bracket minus 8, right? So this minus we're taking inside, okay, and opening the bracket. So how does it come? This minus is going here, and then minus 8 is as such. Okay, now you see minus and minus is coming together, right? So when minus and minus comes together, it will turn into plus. The rest will remain as such. 8 here. This minus and minus, you open the bracket and then minus minus becomes plus. Okay. Now this is a rule. Okay, minus and minus becomes plus. Now you see the expression. It is minus 15 plus 8. You remember in the last video we did addition of integers. Yeah, there we applied one rule. When one integer is a negative integer, the other integer is a positive integer, what we'll do, we'll apply rule 2. See, this 8 is having the sign plus. Okay, it's hidden actually, but there is a plus sign. Okay, so it's like minus 15 plus 8. So remember, addition of integers, one is a negative integer and one is a positive integer, so you will subtract, apply the rule number 2. Okay, so 15 and 8 you're subtracting. There is 15 minus 8. The answer is 7. Yes. Then what did we do? It's not over. Which is the bigger number among 15 and 8? 15. So its sign is minus. So our answer is minus 7. Got it? So even if it is subtraction of integers, finally we are applying the addition of integers rule. Okay. So subtraction of integers is simple. Just you need to write the second integer first, and then for from you're putting it minus sign, minus 8 you write, and then we are multiplying this minus inside the bracket. So it becomes minus minus 8. So minus and minus, it is plus. Okay, that's all. And then applying the addition of integers rule number 2. Next, let's do one more example. The question is subtract 13 from minus 9. So as I said, first we are going to write this minus 9. Then instead of from, we'll put the minus sign. Then secondly only we are writing the first integer, 13. Okay, this is our subtraction. Subtract 13 from minus 9. So minus 9 we'll write first, then put the minus sign here instead of the from, then put 13 here. Okay, so now how we'll do? You just see to the expression here. Okay, as in previous case there is no 2 minus coming, nothing like that. But you see one thing, what is the sign before 13? It is minus. Yeah. What is the sign before 9? It is also minus. Remember addition of integers in the last video? And when both the integers are having the same sign, we studied in rule 1. Yeah. 9 is having the sign minus, 13 is also having the same minus. Yeah. So what did we do in rule number 1? We'll add, okay, 13 and 9 as in rule number 1 in addition of integers. What is the answer? 22. Now this 22 we'll write here and put the common sign. What is the sign before 13? Minus. What is the sign before 9? Minus. So common sign, minus. Understood? Even if it is subtraction, what we are applying here is addition of integers rule number 1 as well as rule number 2. Okay, in the previous question we did rule number 2, but here rule number 1 applies. Next, as a homework, you do this. Subtract minus 92 from minus 23. Then second question, 32 from minus 56. You know, right? How will you do? You'll write first this number, minus 23. Then instead of from, you'll put minus. Then this, you'll write it here, minus 92. Then minus and minus comes. It will turn into plus. Then apply addition of integers rules. Okay? This is also easy. How will you do? Minus 56, you'll write first, then instead of from you'll put minus, then you will write 32. Okay, then apply addition of integers rule number 1. Okay, so that's all. Comment down the answer below. See you in the next video. Bye.